Listen, this has been the year of empties for me. Usually it takes me forever to get through products, and that's probably still true because these products are mostly older, so it's taken a long time for me to get through them. But today, I want to talk about some of the products that I've used up or just won't be using anymore because they are expired. If you saw my entire makeup collection video, you might not have, so I'll put that in the description box below. But a lot of my makeup is entering that expired stage because I've had it for so long. So I am going to be getting rid of some, but this is mostly products that I've used up. We're talking makeup, we're talking fragrance, hair care. Let's get started. It has finally been warm where I'm living. The clouds are kind of starting to come in right now, which sucks because it says it's 25 Celsius out right now. I just want bright, beautiful sunshine. I'm dressed for bright, beautiful sunshine. Okay, so one of the first products I wanted to talk about is something that I actually bought this year, and it is the Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oil. This is in the shade Rosebud. Loved this product. It's so beautiful. It's very cushiony on the lips. I saw reviews that said it wasn't very hydrating. I found it very moisturizing, especially when I put it on at night. My lips were beautiful the next morning. But something I do agree with on the reviews is that I'm pretty sure I used this up in like 3 months, and I wasn't even using it every day. Like, it's beautiful. I love the packaging. I loved the color. This pink looked so wonderful on the lips. The only thing is that the lip butters, they last so long. It's like they're never ending. You just keep getting product. Where for the price of this, it just went a little too quick. Would I buy it again? Maybe, but I think there's other lip oils I would like to try, or I would just continue to buy the Summer Fridays lip butter bombs. Another lip product that I completely used up is the Nude Sticks Hydropeptide Lip Butter with shea and avocado. This is in the shade Dulce Nude. There's probably just a little left. It smells like cinnamon, like sugary cinnamon deliciousness. This is definitely more of a summertime shade for me. I don't know if you can see that. There's a beautiful glimmer in it. It is more warm tone, so that's why I say I wear it in the summer. Second reason why I only wear it in the summer is because even though it smells like cinnamon, there's still a bit of a minty tingle taste to it. It's an interesting combo, but I don't like when products have that mint flavor and then you try to use them in the winter. It's cold enough. I don't need my lips to be extra cold because we've put like a menthol type product on my lips. This is beautiful. I do love it. And it's a reasonably good price. So I will probably repurchase this, maybe try a different color in the future. It really hydrated my lips. Again, great price, but don't like that mint flavor. Since we're on nude sticks, let's chat a bit more about some other products. So I bought this nude stick lip screen 2 years ago, I think. I got it actually with points on nudesticks.com, and it has SPF 30 and it expired this year, the beginning of the year. It's a nude color, so I liked to wear it on my bike rides because I'd be gone for a couple hours. This actually would have been pretty nice for my runs too, but it's not very moisturizing. Like, it doesn't feel like a gloss. Like, it definitely feels like you have sunscreen on your lips. I don't really know how you could move past that point, but it is a nice product. It has this like neutral rose warm color. Yeah, it's just a natural tint. It was okay. I don't think I would buy this again. Maybe if they came out with different colors and a different texture for the lip, something more hydrating, something a little more comfortable, then I would buy it again, just because I like being outside for runs and bike rides, especially in the summer. And I have nothing for my lips. We have possibly two Nude Sticks blushes. I have Sweet Cheeks and Picante. So I would have bought these in either 2021 or 2022. And I am just getting some breakouts on my skin. It's making me question my makeup habits, because is that what's contributing to these pimples? Is it stress related? Is it because maybe, who knows? But these are quite old. I have used most of Sweet Cheeks. This is a beautiful blush for the spring and the summer. It's very dewy, which is why I say the spring, because in the summer I am already sweaty enough, you know? Yeah. Don't need too much extra dew. And then I have Picante, which this was my first step into like really bright blushes. I think before Picante, I hadn't even really worn a lot of blushes, just like MAC Blush Please, very neutral for my skin tone. And again, this is just old. I still have a lot of product, and I got the Picante Blush Nude, something like that, in their Stacks formula. And it's a bit more muted, a bit more easier to wear, where I can only wear this for like 2 months out of the year. And that's a bit silly. I have spoken about this product for years on my channel, and I've constantly repurchased it. It is the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. It is such a beautiful eyebrow product. It keeps your eyebrows in place without... You can laminate them if you build up the product, but there's never any like white cast or pilling. You can create a really natural brow, or again, that more laminated, really fluffy. I did buy the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Freeze in the Stick. Love it. So I did switch. I will buy this again at some point though, because it is fantastic. Mascara time. I have just been gravitating towards drugstore mascaras, one, because of the price, but two, they work just as well as the high-end mascaras, so I have been enjoying that. This is the L'Oreal Panorama Voluminous Mascara. This is in the shade Black Brown. I do enjoy the original Voluminous Mascara the most. It is the cheapest, and I'm wearing it today. I just find it works great on the eyelashes. It stays put, it separates, it gives you volume. Beautiful. This I wasn't as impressed with, so I guess it's what you're looking for, but this was probably like $15, where again, the original Voluminous is $8. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about MAC, one of my favorite brands. I have so many products by MAC. They've been a little bit of an enemy for my skin, especially the complexion products. I just don't think I can use them anymore. Maybe in a couple years I'll try like a tester, because I just love their foundations, but they don't love me. Anyways, so I got the MAC Cosmetics Brush Black Brush Stroke 24-Hour Liner. Jeez. So this has a little brush tip. So see, it started off well, and then as I continued using it, it just started drying out. It gets patchy. So it is at the end of its life. I always store these upside down so the product flows to those brushes. Yeah, these are good. I like them. I don't love them. I actually don't really wear a lot of eyeliner anymore. That was definitely my staple, like in my teens and early 20s. So now I've moved away from that, but it's okay. And another product that I will be getting rid of is their Very Go Lightly lip gloss. It's just too silver for me. Oh, it smells so good. It's like this kind of odd peachy silvery color. I think this is one of the last products I got with the Back to MAC program. I never reach for it. I really love the see-through lip gloss. That is beautiful, especially with stripped down liner. It's a good combo. But whenever I put this on my lips, it's way too chunky, glittery. Doesn't suit me. I have two foundations that I went through. The MAC Face and Body Studio Radiance has been my like ride or die for 4 years. But again, just trying to be more conscious of my skin, so I'm not using this anymore. And you know what? The price of this has gone up ridiculous. Like, I'm pretty sure this is $50 now, and probably when I started buying it, it was $40. That's a big price jump in a few years' time. So because of price point and breakout potential, I won't be repurchasing this one. And then the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powdered Foundation. This was beautiful when it first came out. So skin-like. It's glowy, but not too glowy, and very light feeling on the skin. I barely have any left. This is in the shade NC10. I did find it oxidized on my skin. You put it on and then it kind of got a little darker either because the pigments are doing whatever. So I probably should have gone for a lighter shade, but I don't want any more breakouts. So I won't be repurchasing this, but we had good times. And then a forever repurchase is the MAC Fix Plus. They gave it a new spray. I don't know how I feel about that. I loved this spray. This sound is just memories. It smells so good. I used to love the coconut one. Oh my God, so beautiful. But it melts the powder. It helps the skin just look like skin once you've put makeup on. It lasts a long time too. You only need a few sprays, I find. Love this product. And I have used up most of this, but it wasn't my favorite powder. I love the Huda Beauty powders. I just find they work fantastic. So I gave this one a try because of the price point. I don't know if I would repurchase it. So did I like it? Yes, but it didn't blow my socks off. But I'll tell you what blew my socks off. This little like contraption. So you just pull that over and then you can get the powder out that way and then you can close it. So it's good for travel. Other companies need to take notice. Okay, so talking about skincare now, we have one that is like completely empty. I am using every last drop of it. It is the Nude Sticks Citrus Sea Mask and Daily Moisturizer. It smells amazing. It is such a nice moisturizer. It's very thick, but it doesn't, and again, I do have pimples, so I don't know if I can say it doesn't clog my pores, but I've used this for, I think, just over a year now, and I've loved it. It's really hydrating and moisturizing. It's been great for my skin. I will repurchase it probably in the future, but I am wanting to try another moisturizer by the company that I'm going to talk about next. So we have Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow HPA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. This smells amazing. And I know I do still have some left, but I will be repurchasing this. I got this at Christmas and I am still using it. I love this product. It feels hydrating still, and it just makes my skin nice and calm. Really love this. Now, this product isn't used up, but it's because I repurchased it and then have been using it so much. I just need to talk about it quickly for a second, if you don't mind. We have the Pantene Sheer Volume Shampoo. Now, I bought this because of Abby Young, I believe her name is. She has become so popular on social media with her drugstore hair care recommendations. She also does high-end, but I think the drugstore is what really took off her socials. And she got me back into drugstore hair care products. Now, I am going to do a whole video because I have a lot of things to say about the recommendations that she has given, but I just wanted to say I did use up a whole bottle of this. Plus I repurchased it again. Plus I've used up that much. So I'm excited to make that video. And if you want to see it, feel free to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now, would you believe that we only have 2 products left and they're both perfume? But doesn't that just feel like I never go through perfume? It's crazy. The first one we're going to talk about is the Glossier You, the original scent. They've come out with quite a few different variations now. I wore this on my wedding day, so it's going to have really nice memories, even though I've worn it a lot before. So it might not be totally associated to that day. I love how just musky it is, almost kind of woodsy, but fresh. Oh, it's so beautiful when it's on your skin. And I do agree with people. I do wish it lasted longer, but oh, it's just addictive. I love it. I do have quite a few perfumes that I actually want to get through. I want to get through my perfumes, not just hang on and hoard and collect more. I'll probably get this next year, maybe ask for it for Christmas, but it's so good, so good. And I do have a few sprays left, but I wanted to talk about it in this video. This is the Kayali Yum Pistachio. Listen, I bought this last summer because I was like, I just need something really sweet to wear. I want a new vibe and personality for the summer, and this was it. It is so sweet, but it does have that nuttiness in it, and I believe there's even I believe there's even musk or sandalwood in it. So it is a complex fragrance. It's not just sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, I'm wearing it today. I'm going to be using it up. Again, I want to make my way through my perfumes. We're not hoarding. We're not going to be letting things go rotten anymore. I'm saying that to remind myself. It's really lovely. I did buy the small size. Why are the travel size perfumes so expensive now? They're like $50, and just 2 years ago they were $30. Because I remember buying one and being like, it's only $30. Like and you get a new fragrance for the summer. It's slightly affordable. Oh my God, $50 for like this size. So good. Probably you want to be saving your fragrance purchases for like Christmas time, because they tend to do pretty good sales on fragrances, especially at Sephora, because that's where most of this was bought, besides MAC and some nude sticks. But those are my empties. I try to work through my makeup. Some stuff is expired, but I love makeup, and I think it's really interesting seeing what people use up. I purchased all of these, so it's not like anything was sent. I buy them because I like them, so I should be using them up. But again, it's the type of content I do like seeing, so I hope you enjoyed it as well. And maybe you'll want to pick up one of these products as well. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what products you always go through. Be really interested to hear, and maybe you'll inspire me to get some products as well. I hope you're having a fabulous time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.